HIMS stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is HIMS and HERS held stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1 minute video. Ultimately, with HIMS and HERS, I'm looking to take it further up. It's not me just that I'm going to randomly buy, but I would much more appreciate it if the price pulls down and gives me a shift in order for me, to pull the trigger. And we're in this correction phase right now. So if I zoom out, you will see, well, yeah, this is a very beautiful bullish market. Oh, my bad. This is where we are. This is sitting at $29.50, and without any sort of like a proper double break here happening, there's just no way that I will look to take things further up. I like that the pre-market is a bit higher, but you can stop right there because I don't want it any higher than that, because I would much rather prefer like a shift. And that's how it's looking like for me. With HIMS, I had this higher time frame idea that delivered the slower time frame one as well. I'm just waiting to double down and take it to my famous $73 level. So stay tuned, and if you want to get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.